Sometimes in science we use vocabulary words that are commonly used in our everyday lives, like color or texture or absorbancy, and they are kind of easy to understand in our everyday lives. Like we can all point at our t-shirt and tell someone what color it is. But when scientists talk about these words, they usually mean something very specific. So I thought it would be useful to define these words as well. Color is a measurement of something's hue, brightness, and saturation. Those are really big words that you don't really need to understand yet, but something's hue is the shade of color that it is. Like, is it a light pink or is it a bright pink like magenta? Is it a light green like a leaf or is it a dark, dark, dark green? That's the hue. Brightness and saturation refers to whether or not something is a light color or a dark color, a bright color or a pale color. And of course, our primary colors are yellow, red, and blue, and then we have all kinds of blends of different colors from there and combinations of colors. So when scientists talk about color, they're talking about something that you can visually observe. And when we talk about color in science experiments, usually I would want you to make an observation about hue, meaning is it blue, red, green, white, gray, and also how bright or not bright something is, and also how opaque something is, meaning can you see through it or is it clear? So that's kind of just like a scientific explanation of the word color. Texture refers to what something is made of or how it feels. So commonly used words related to texture are saying that something is rough or smooth, or saying that something is hard or soft. And then we can get more specific from there. If something is rough, we could say it's sandy, gritty, or bumpy. If something is smooth, we could say it's silky or velvety. Or we could say it's watery, or, just different words that describe how smooth something is. If it's hard, we could say it feels dense or brittle. The word absorbancy refers to whether or not something is able to soak up water and keep it in once it's soaked it up. So, like you've all seen Bounty paper towel commercials, I'm sure, where they say that our brand of paper towels is the best at absorbing water or soaking up water. So absorbancy refers to a way of measuring if something can soak water in and keep it in. A highly absorbent substance is one that can soak water up or soak up another substance. Okay, so those are 3 commonly used words that we also use in science to mean something very specific, and they are related to measuring something's properties.